sun came out, which is perfect for a quick video walk around. I'm gonna start from the back and work my way forward just to help myself remember everything we did. So new LEDs, systems front and back, including the license plate light. The swing away tire carrier is great. It's brand new, but it's great because it takes away the weight from the hinges of the rear door. The hinges are new, so are the door hinges in the front. The cross member, which is this part here, let's call it the rear bumper, although it's not really a bumper because it's the frame, has been replaced, which is a Achilles heel, I would say, of Defenders, so you don't have to worry about that for many, many years. New door cards all around, new gaskets. This is hardware that we had custom made just to keep the carpet down. Looks great. New carpet, new upholstery, and that doesn't mean that these are seat covers. These are actually reupholstered, so new foams were needed, and absolutely new upholstery. This is, I hope you can appreciate the smoky effect. It's kind of like I asked the gentleman that does these for me to make it look like an older wallet, which I think this does. It looks great. This is vinyl or leatherette or sky leather, whatever you want to call it, but in short, very robust, very resistant to stains, resistant to water. It's the stuff they use on boats, so you don't have to worry. If you go to the beach and sit there with a wet bathing suit, you'll be fine. You have all new seat belts, front and back. These are actually manufactured in July 2022. New headliner. All right, let's go around. The gaskets for the windows are new. These fender flares are not the original ones. They look like it, but they're actually quite a bit larger. I'd say the original ones get to about here, so you get that nice stance. The rims, we've moved them out to match that extra width, and it gives the car a little bit more stability, but mostly its stance. It just looks really cool. The rims are original OEM Boost rims that we have repainted black. Let's see here. You have new door cards, as I mentioned, and like all the hardware is new. The handles are new. The door opening mechanism is new. The locking mechanism is new. The window crank is new. Again, new seat belts. Also, seat belts as, let me try and figure it out. There we go. New seat belts, new seat belt receivers. As far as floor mats, well, maybe we'll see them in the front. It's easier, but bottom line is I went for these rubber ones that are so easy to clean. And if they get dirty, you just, they have this ribbed edge here, which is great because it stops the dirt, and they just rip them out, clean them. I always like to leave the original instrument cluster. I think it looks great. We did put a custom Nardi steering wheel and a nice little stereo system that is touchscreen, navigation, Android and Apple compatible. So whatever needs you have for entertainment, they should be met. We have new rubber boots for the handbrake and for the gear shifter. We have a new cover with our company's logo. It's a sticker. If you don't like it, you can remove it, certainly. On the fuse box, we have new speakers. We have couple new cup holders that if you don't want them, they just go away so they don't take up space. We have air conditioning, which is actually not installed yet, but will be very soon. Recovered dashboard. The actual the instrument cluster bezel, I believe it's called, is new. All the door handles outside are new. The window felts, although they're not technically felts, but I guess that's what you call them, they're new. These turbulences, we add them to all our builds because they look great, and if you just crank the window a little bit, it helps keep the rain out. These are custom. These are brand new. Headlights, as I said, the headlight bezel, just got a whole picture of it. That's new. It's all LED. You have a winch that is a real deal cable winch. New bumper. I was going to actually show you what the car looks like with the lights on and maybe with one of the blinkers blinking, because it looks pretty cool. I hope you can see it with this light. Okay, so this is normal running condition, and this is when you put a blinker on. All right, turn this off. The hood is actually a later model version. It's called the Puma hood, and I installed it because this one had the old school hood that was not dented, but it wasn't in great shape. I opted for this one. It's not fiberglass, which most people go for. This is steel, and it's got this hump that just looks great. It makes it even more aggressive. We have a new snorkel, new rear view mirrors, new gaskets all around. I mean, everything that we could think of to replace, we're replaced. Oh, I forgot. The car has a 2.5-inch lift, about thereabout. It has reinforced suspension components. It has upgraded axles. I'm sorry, for added reliability. And you know, being 300 TDi, it's just a very, very strong machine. This is basically built to go anywhere and do everything, but in style. And you know, you will be buying from the people that restored it. So we're always happy to answer any questions you might have about the build, the details, you know, the oily bits. We hope you like our little video presentation of our latest build. Oh, I should say that, well, now this door doesn't close, but you maybe notice that some of the doors appear to not close all the way, but that's because the new gaskets are quite poofy, for a lack of a better term. So once they seat in place, the doors will close all the way. New gas cap, new cross member. I mean, we went through the car from front to back. So anything else you would want to add to the car, bigger tires, whatever you want, we can do it all. Again, hope you enjoyed the presentation, and see you next time.